potong ribu aja gitu.
Enggak. Malah dia bener.
Gimana Kren? Dari sini nggak tutup. Beb, itu 1, 2, 3 nih, cepat. Oke.
Okay.
disuruh kan kerja disuruh kan
Suruh merah tadi. Kan tadi merah. Tahu aku sorot merah. Ini merah ya.
kok dimarahin kan
Kurang sih timingnya tadi. Time juga standar kurang.
berapa
Dingin kok. stiker bintang kita deh.
Suara merah nggak nanti?
Lempar sama Belva.
Stage dulu aku dulu.
Stage dulu lah. Ntar, 2,
Iya.
Almost ready. Are you Joe?
Jin.
Hope you haven't forgotten and let my name.
Your name is not there. I'm mistaken.
Will you go along with the plan? Very responsible. Joe sucks. Doing his study and with that, they assisted.
Well, if everybody says so, Belfast, there must be something to it.
I must say, I enjoy myself. Watching an important man at work. Joe sucks. Ryan is doing all his time in civic activities, and I love it.
Don't escape, Belfast. Well, you're
What is that?
fighting with the
What neighbors? Who gives a shit about neighbors?
Kan aku fokus ke Desi aja.
Give everybody one to scare from their neighbor. Maybe we give up with some hidden custom that don't make sense anymore.
What are you supposed to do then?
There is no time to fade. But wisdom stops. Let's proceed.
The lodge has to be taken serious. People get in the way with this, and you can change them. It's a human nature.
Now you say that a human nature. I don't like this town. Nor anybody. Not even anyone. You are the worst of this town. You're throwing away our own brother.
You you're doing then.
Mine.
Yeah, you are the one to be weakling now. And you are the one going out
Ayun,
on
goosebumps
the
siya.
street, preaching its edition.
Now, you call us worthy?
He left you the God and sent it.
You are excited. It takes a real courage to fight prejudice on your own doorstep. It's you and the rest of the American cohort.
Every day of my life, I will speak to you. Every day of my life, if you really want to look for him, go ahead. Here, I'll give you money. Take money, send out. Then I will report, right?
I don't know what to do. And I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to stay right here and wait. Because sooner or later, your name might come up. And I'll have to be done bringing it.
Oops.
Finish your companies.
Sorry, Cik. Sudah kan?
Joe knows that he's doing all right.
Here goes woman, honoring and gently. They never have done that in the old days. Yeah, but you know, see those summers up there looking at jokes. Nobody shows stress for the ceremony. Nobody. They just go through the motion nowadays. Yeah, what's some different? Everybody had to stay in the soul, and before throwing, they had been focused peace
Needs to cool down. Katanya.
Panas.
Don't say that. Not even talking about it. Anyway, I get recollect when they use wooden chips instead of paper to write the names.
What do you know? Wooden chips?
I was a real little, but I remember.
Itu bukannya Bill nyari keluar.
Now, folks,
Sekarang.
now, everybody, glad to watch me. Papa! You know, passing through, I was to make sure the list is ended
Pasti.
with all the families and instruments.
You go right ahead, Summer. You'll never have a step, Dad.
Lagi dia.
Where you been? Are you in? And look at that thing.
Taruh keluar, taruh keluar.
And I remember it was the 27th summer. You made it all right, though.
Biru kan, biru kan.
Biru tok sih.
Biru doang. Lawan warna. Stage dulu kan baru warna biru.
Iya. Kalau biru lewat tadi kan ini terang ini gelap banget nih, nggak cocok. Harusnya Bill bawa alis keluar ya.
Enggak. Tinggal aku dari mana.
Tadi Bill pergi sini, celana kan belum ada.
Kayak nggak pas gitu.
Stay good. Oh, your mom.
Sung.
Whatever game, eh?
Mana biru cok?
This story is honor for all of you. You know, everybody was today, right?
The fuck?
Where was you trying to hide her?
Kenapa tadi tuh?
I found her, Miss Devil. She's saying, look, like that.
Yes, but I was going to get her. I was going to bring Alice.
Ini gelap banget cok.
He was trying to put him dead.
Lepas lagi musiknya, suaranya.
Bisa lagi dari dikit.
Oh, Bill!
Mati dulu biru. Nah, karakter mana sih?
Woi,
I went through when I was a little.
Teman.
How do you think you can get on to thing? No. Elephant has to be there along with ours. And you know how careful some. Right. We would have been a loving song in front of everybody there. scary. Credit for mistake.
Oh iya betul.
On this island.
Itu apa?
Come, we let you, eh?
I told you. Nothing.
Bilangnya cok.
Next thing, you say we all game upload with all together. Like four. You stop system.
Well, I'm not talking. But stop listening. Come on. You're talking the sound. Out to the north.
Not just the government either. You wait and think.
I don't think you will. No. I can't do it.
Aku dulu mati.
Sholat dulu lah.
Then you say this again, Lucy. Finding hope.
Di sini.
Well, I am feeling tired. Get this submarine. Get. Anybody in here? Alright, Keith Brooke is late to eat. So, who's doing it? So, why are you going to the hospital? You don't have to work with you. Just leave it alone. Margaret, you going this year? So, I think that's everyone. How are you, Mr. Margaret? I'm okay. Right. Everyone, now, Artie the Nemso, heads of the family first, the president came up with the pepper. Artie, keep the pepper folded in your hand until each of you had it. Is everything clear? Is everything clear? Ada, Appleby, Burgess, Caswell, Collins.
Aku apa sih? Ide-ide itu.
Ini tuh tembak ke Joe.
Jodoh dulu kan panggil dulu.
This thing, real close. Nothing is good enough for them. Next time, they will know that they are living in hate. Nobody wants to work anyone. I say nobody. They live that way for a while. First thing you know, we would all be
Bilang aja, Dit. Apa? Bilang, Sat.
It's always been a laundry.
1, 2, 3.
Danberg.
Song.
Martin. Kelly. Hutchinson. Mesa.
sepatunya emang gede gitu.
Warner. How are you, Warner?
Nanti aku sore ke Warner kan.
Iya.
But I'm 7 years. I've been in the London. Well, I never.
Habis ini matiin kan suaranya.
Bilang.
Sung.
All right. Now you may open your bed.
It's not you, you're lucky enough.
Sekali lagi.
This guy.
Well, everyone, that was fun really fast. Now we get more details now so we can get started.
Ini aku sore ke
Bill,
Warner.
you can another password in that system, really?
Coba dulu.
You know,
Tuan
why
Alex.
you don't have to build? That's
Everybody knows that.
Emma, don't the master. That's just addition. Right. So, as far as family is concerned, that's you. And as far as your house is concerned, that's you too. Right, Bill? Right. So, how many kids, Bill?
Apa?
Ikuti.
Ini aja.
Just do the other side.
Mati nanti.
Our builder,
Mati nanti. Pas.
he died when he was a baby.
Ya kan? Iya.
Margaret,
Oh, sorotnya putih.
can someone take it back?
Ikuti dulu kan masih ambil.
Put that in box and next put that in.
Tuh.
Ready, Bill? And remember, take the pepper out of the box and keep the bullet in your hand until each of you has it. Alright? You have the bullet, okay?
Yes, sir.
Come on, Alicia. Take this one pepper.
Kayaknya dikit ah.
Enggak. Ada.
Hold it, okay?
Oh, biar suaranya terang.
Bessie, you next. Bill.
Tunggu aja udah.
Alright. Now you may come with me. Alright? You have to, okay? Sure. Bill, you saw the pen, Bill? That's it. It's Bessie. Just the
Merahnya harusnya. Belok, belok. Buat yang mati tadi. Nggak pakai trap tadi.
Dikit ya.
Kon juga. Kon biar nanti. Baik. Biar.
Lagi jalan. Masuk.
Come on, hey. What? Go fast, okay? Tighter.
Main her bukan main her.
What do you mean? It's a bear.
Duduk ya, Merah.
Bentar. Kumatin dulu.
Of course, you're one why.
Oh ya, aku sortir situ.
Big boy! Big gun! This is for Alex!
Tentu.
This is for you! You know this reason, right? Big gun is
Pak 44 menit.
Berapa? 44.
Ending, guys. Goosebumps. Let's give them another round of applause. And now we would like to invite our lecturer to give comments and feedback on the
Juga habis baterai, Cok. Maaf ya, Wak ya.
Tunggu, aku mau tidak sekali gitu.
Nanti pas komentar dosen lagi aja.
Sama kelas internasional kan?
Ya, tinggi-tingginya apa? Cepat kali sih.
Hello guys, how are you? Tiring ya?
Ini SMK 7.
To build up such emotion ya, especially at the end.
Sebelah kiri.
Yeah, you may take your breath because you have done a very well performance. Yeah.
Thank you.
Actually,
Sudah datang.
it's very. I think there is a problem with the lighting here. Because somehow the performance already very good. If only it's not all in one like that. But
Tadi
anyway,
mati-mati tuh.
that's only a minor in the
Panasan.
performance. You manage to maintain the transition between scenes, even though you have technical problems like the lighting. But this is examples, yeah, guys, to all of you, that proper costumes and makeup builds up the character. Okay? It helps you, right, to be the character because it helps you to build imagination inside your mind, and also it of course it also projects the audience.
Makasih ya.
Because drama shares, theater shares such energy. Even the I forgot the name of your character.
Oke.
The one went to such kind of makeup. It's a lot. So that is makeup for theater. The makeup for theater is not only making you look good, but sometimes making you look bad, like in the zombie as well. Yeah, sometimes making you look old. Yeah, and then yeah. But one thing, I think costume error, the one Bill and what is your character? Bill and Martin. Your error is why do you still use belts? Because what you wear is actually the belts. That is, yeah. You know that one that you wear? That's the belt. Yeah. So.
Bel maksudnya?
And then I like the way you interpret
Suspender.
the costume. So it's not duster. Yeah. It's a properly designed costume for each of you. Yeah. So this kind of costumes and makeup help maintains the imagination, yeah, from the beginning to the ending, and then come to your acting. I see because you already set up yourself to be the character through costume and makeup, I can see that you are able to maintain the energy of being the character. Yeah. What is impressive, your micro expressions, especially the main character. What is your name? Tesi. Yeah? I like the way you pick up the lottery, the way you shake it. You know what's come next, and it already giving us for grounding, yeah, by just looking at your expression. It's not a movie, but I can see it close up. Yeah. That's very neat. Do you intended to make it, or it just reflect? Okay.
Okay, I would like to answer this question. I don't know if I intended to make it or just as a reflex, but I just feel the emotion and feel like I'm in this situation. Yeah.
That's an artist's answer, should be. Because you understand the situation of the play, your story. So it's already embedded in your psychology as the actor, which perform the character. Yeah. Especially Chris, you and Chumi, and Bill, the three of you plays very well in the end. The emotion that you built here. And somehow, even though it has errors, the lighting works. Yeah. The lighting works because you know position of lighting. You know where you need to, there is blocking, right? So you know the basic of stage. You know where the ending should be. In order to create most dramatic emotional ending, you should go to the lowest part of the stage, and then the lighting, because the lighting is only in the front, you don't have the lighting in the middle and the back, and it's easy for you to create such scene. And then the one in the middle, it gives us this like it's like white film. So when people throw it, we don't need to see their face. We need to see only the actions. And we focus only on the impact of the actions to the singer. So it is well designed. And I see you maintain the triangle very well on stage. So it is very excellent and very neat this production design. So congratulations. What needs to be improved from your performance is it cannot be gained in just 4 months of practice. Some of you already have, like Raja, you have good power, and Joe, you have good power to produce vocals, so it is clear. But I don't think the rest has enough time here. So the challenge is time, and then you need to undergo certain exercise to make your diaphragm and your core strong enough. So even though you are whispering, we can hear you. So that's a challenge to be a real artist, to produce. Because stage artist, but that's not my main concept. Because, however, only 4 months that's impossible to achieve unless we have talent. But so far, the way you design your productions, the way you execute the production on the stage, it is. We had this drama last year. Last year or last year? Last year.
Not last year.
Yeah, last year. And you have also.
Apa yang last year?
Loterinya. What? I don't know the bless of your group. What is your name? Yes.
My name is Miss Besson.
Miss Besson. Every day, do you wear hijab?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that is very nice decision to dress you like that because you have foreign look naturally. Yeah. So it convinces us that it's not Indonesia. The way your look only and your posture. So that's one of the what do you call that? A strong element in the imagination that it is American, right? And also Joe, you have that look too, Joe. Yeah. So both of you give the anchor to that imagination. Very, very nice. And to me, so that's why the reason you had your head cut, to create this character. You went to that extent. Yeah. Very nice. So for me personally, that was excellent. Thank you very much for doing that. I hope you can be one of the nominee.